Hey guys, I have such an exciting video to share with you. I have this big box that I've been dying to open since yesterday. It came yesterday. I wanted to film it. I wanted to film like a true unboxing. So it's been killing me, just staring at me, but I'm gonna unbox it with you guys right now. This was about 7 weeks in the making, and I'm gonna tell you the whole story behind it. It is a new bag. Obviously from Louis Vuitton. You probably saw the title. I already went ahead and saved you the trouble of having to hear that. So it actually, we went into King of Prussia when we ordered this, and they said 6 to 8 weeks delivery, and I called the other day and I was like, is there like an update? I haven't heard anything or whatever. They're like, yeah, it's here waiting for you. I forgot to ask them to ship it to me because King of Prussia is about an hour away. They ended up shipping it to me, which it ended up coming the next day. So it's been sitting in the store for I don't even know how long. So this huge box, just some tissue paper. I don't know how I feel about the new orange Louis Vuitton boxes. How do you guys feel? I don't love the brown either, but this is what it looks like. And it has a red bow for Christmas. This is a first. Usually it comes with blue, but it's red and it says Louis Vuitton. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so any guesses? This is different. So it is a Speedy bag. The last time I got well, the only other time I got a Speedy bag, it was collapsed when I unboxed it, but this is a little bit puffy. This is a dust bag. It's so pretty. Here it is. This is a Monogram Speedy 30. And I have to say, just from taking it out of the box, it is so light. I have to go get my other Speedy to compare. I heard that the canvas is different now on Speedies, and it's a lot, I've heard it's like a cheaper quality. So I don't know, I'm gonna compare it to my Damier, but this is very, very light. Okay, oh my God. Okay, so let me tell you the story behind this. So I told you guys in my handbag collection that I was kind of over my Damier Abine Speedy. I love the bag, but I'm not crazy about that print. I like the print, but maybe like on a smaller leather good. I really want to get like a little Damier pochette, mini pochette, but they've been sold out forever. But on a big bag, like I just feel like you have to almost match to brown or wear brown. And I don't really wear a lot of brown, so I don't reach for it all that often. I'm a huge fan of the monogram, just the classic monogram. But I've been considering the monogram for a while, and I was wondering if I should get it like on the mini pochette. But then I kind of started considering the Speedy, and the one night we were in bed and I was on my phone, and Dan was like, what are you looking at? And I was like, oh, nothing. And I showed him, and he was like, I want to get you that for our anniversary, our 1-year anniversary. So sweet. So this was really, I love like the story and the meaning behind this bag. So he got it for our 1-year anniversary, which is something that I'll always remember and always treasure. It's also like one of the very first things that has like my initials, like my new married initials. I think I have one necklace. I don't even think I have a necklace. You know what? I have a pullover from last Christmas with my MGV monogram. That's the only thing I have like with my V initial. So I thought that was really special, like part of our anniversary gift. It has like my new initials on it. I just did the M and the V. I didn't do my middle name. And deciding on the colors, I was between the pink and the white, like the raspberry and the white, or this color scheme. These are like my favorite fall colors if you guys are new to my channel. I love burgundy and mustard for fall. It's not something that I feel like is trendy. I feel like those are just cult classic fall colors that I have in my wardrobe a lot, that I'll have for a lot of fall season wardrobes to come. So it wasn't like a trendy color or something that I'd only, you know, want to have this year. So that's kind of why I went with the colors. And you can actually pick the stripe. You could do the stripe along the side. I like it going this way. You could also choose to do the periods in between the 2 letters, which I chose to have. You could also do without. You could invert these colors, but I really like the burgundy stripe. And then the thing, it goes all the way around the back. The thing that I love the most about the monogram, which is kind of why I started looking at it in the first place, you get to pick the interior color. Oh my God. And I am just gonna tell you right now, I'm so happy I did this. So let me take out all this stuff. There's like all the the key and the authenticity cards and stuff. This is kind of why I considered the raspberry and the white. I was like dying for the hot pink like interior, but I just felt like, I don't know, I might get over that color at some point, or like over that being on my bag. And I just know these are classics that I'll never get tired of. And these aren't colors that I'd only carry around in the fall either. They're just like really pretty colors, and I think they go really well with the brown, the Louis Vuitton brown. But I was really torn on what color to do the inside. So obviously I have the Damier Ebene, which is red on the inside, and I don't like a really dark interior. My Balenciaga City is black. It's like a giant hole. I feel like I can never find anything in there. I've always liked the lighter interiors on my bag. So you could either do one of these two colors for the interior. And I loved how the burgundy looked. And you guys know burgundy is like my favorite for the fall. And I loved how it looked. And I initially, when I ordered the bag, when I was going through it with the sales associate, I chose burgundy. And we got all the way to the checkout, like the checkout screen on her iPad, and I was like, I think we should switch. I think I changed my mind. I think I want to do the mustard. And then she brought another girl over, and I was asking their opinion, and that girl, without even like a thought, was like, go with the mustard. So I just liked how when I put the pictures, when I did the, like, you could like personalize it on the website, it just popped to me, the mustard on the inside versus the burgundy. But the burgundy looked very chic, but I thought, I think I'm gonna get annoyed with it being so dark, and I just kind of like it. It's different, it's bright, nothing will get lost. It is light, so it's gonna show more than the burgundy probably would have, but I take good care of my bags, so I'm not worried about that. And it's peeked open with the colors on the bag. It just looks so pretty. So this is my new baby. Thank you to my hubby. I love it. I can't wait for the handles to patina and get nice and dark. Oh, I wanted to grab the Damier bag. Hold on. So yeah, I definitely think that this is a much heavier canvas. Granted, I have the dust bag in there, but still, this feels not heavy, but there's a noticeable difference in weight between the two. So I don't know if that's just the Damier Ebene canvas, or like I said, whoever told me that the new canvases were being made differently, like a different quality. It could be. I don't feel like this feels cheap or looks any different than the other monogram bags that I have. So we'll see. I actually really like that it's lighter because I carry so much in my Speedies, but it is a definite difference in weight. So that's interesting. I think, and the handles are a little bit different too. This is like a treated leather, and this is leather too, but it's not treated. So maybe that has to do with it. I don't know. But that is my new baby. I hope you guys like her. I think I am gonna sell this bag. I got a quote from Fashion File, so I think I'm gonna go that route. I was pretty impressed. I think I was only losing $70 of like what I paid, and I bought this bag, I don't even know, 6-7 years ago. So I think that's pretty impressive, and it's in excellent condition. So I think I am gonna get rid of this bag. I'm gonna get like a smaller pochette in the Damier because I do like the pop of red, but I just love this. I feel like it goes with everything I will wear, and I'll have it forever, and I like the meaning and the story. I like that we picked it out together, and it's just special. So I hope you guys like it. Thanks for listening to my little story and sharing in this unboxing with me. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Oh, I did want to mention one other monogram combo that I was considering, very shortly considering, was the like denim blue and white. I thought that was so chic on the Louis Vuitton brown, especially because I wear a lot of denim. But again, I don't feel like that was a combo I could wear all the time. I feel like I would have been really wanting to be matchy-matchy with it, but just something to consider. They have, you can do like all the color combos and the initials, you can do everything online, but in store they actually have the colors like next to each other, the two colors, so you can see the paint colors, you can see the interior colors. So if you're near a Louis Vuitton boutique, I think that's definitely the route. And like I said, they told me 6 to 8 weeks, and I don't know how long it was sitting at the store because they never called me. Probably would have gotten it sooner if I asked them to just ship it to me, but yeah, that's my new baby. I hope to not have any issues with like this paint chipping or anything. We shall see. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.